MLAs from Naga community called on the Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla at Raj Bhavan today and discussed issues faced by people. MLA Awangbo Nyumai, Kashim Washum, Lucy Diko, Leisho Kaishing, J. Kumo Shah and Janghemlung Pangmei made Governor and apprised about problems faced by common people. The MLAs assure that they will extend their cooperation at every step to ensure peace and express confidence that the state will definitely return to peace and normalcy under the leadership of the governor. The meeting came in the backdrop of 24-hour ultimatum given by Naga People's Organization to work out a solution on social shutdown imposed a Kuki community along national highways. Meanwhile, a source of SKTV has informed about the possibility of a meeting between Home Ministry representatives and Kuki CSOs regarding free movement along national highways.